Go ahead and see just the chunks right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that out. Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So today I was over there getting Dutch. As you guys saw in the previous video, there's a little bit of a sneak peek. We're gonna be on E85 from now on 100%. So pretty much all we need right now is to fill up this jug real quick to get the start up. After that, we can come actually do our first fill up. So super excited for that and the first drive. That should be fun, so stay tuned to see how that goes. So right now, Daniel's finishing up some of the stuff you guys seen in the last video. We got the jug of E85 that I just filled up this morning. So we're gonna go ahead and let Daniel finish up what he has to do. And then we'll be good to go after that. I already have my new laptop that I bought yesterday, so I could go ahead and throw data logs and tunes back and forth with VMP. So huge shout out to VMP for that's gonna be helping me out with that today. So there it is, it's all put back together. We have the battery charging, everything interior is put back together. Got the carbon fiber seat delete back there, looking hecka good. So we're gonna go ahead and change the RPM to 2000. So with the WOT Box set up to the settings I pretty much want, I'm gonna go ahead and upload the tune. So we had to be on E85, so let's go ahead and upload that. And now we just gotta let it do its thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a slow rev. Daniel said I can do it. So Daniel's gonna go ahead and back it out. This is my first time actually being outside while it starts. Go ahead and hear the triple pass kicking on right now. Looks super, super good. Honestly, super freaking happy right now. Want to do it one time? Yeah, so it's clutch all the way down and then gas.
Let me know when you're ready for the other one.
Yeah, probably. So I gotta get on my focus on shift sector right after that because it's on Sunday. So, okay. All right, brother. Let's go ahead and see how it goes. First drive.
Don't be crazy.
Alright, now.
Put those tires on first.
For real. Alright, appreciate it, man. Thank you. So again, a huge shout out to Automotive Pros for getting it done with less than a week span. In all honesty, it was pretty nice. They were able to get everything done, crunch it down. And obviously everything's smooth. It went 100%. And a huge shout out to VMP Performance for helping out with this build. Really, really do appreciate it. It is the first drive, so I'm very excited. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the GoPro on and let's go ahead and get this started. So I'm gonna go ahead and head over to where the next spot we're gonna get some stuff done at. So this is definitely a very, very slow first drive, but I have this wheel that is not stationed very well right now. But as far as I know, this is the only wheel that's gonna fit. So literally just driving over to the next location, but it's not that far, so that's the good thing. So again, nothing too crazy, literally just driving it normal. So here we go. Here is a sneak peek. We made it. Luckily, nothing was broken in the process. I'm gonna go ahead and go talk to Joe, the owner of Unleashed. Sheesh.
I want to hear her. Let it rip.
Sheesh.
Sounds good. Sounds really good.
Yeah, with the GoPro, hell yeah.
Yeah, the other ones come with a little bit more. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the air intake.
Bigger blower.
Yeah, blower.
Yep.
The real man horsepower car right here.
Yeah.
These cars, this first don't trust women, bro. It's old guys. It's never a woman though.
Oh.
Give me one.
the seats from. That's good, man.
Thank you, appreciate it. So isn't this the best experience? First drive on the freeway and it's just traffic, so yay me. And I'm on E85. I only got one jug, which is only like probably, it's supposed to be 5 gallons, but I didn't fill it up entirely full. We're on our way right now to an E85 station, but not sure how long it's gonna take to get there. First E85 fill up with the Shelby. Very, very excited right now. Definitely gonna be saving some money.
Again.
So I was running pretty lean. Originally, it was hooked up to the intake right here. We went ahead and got some new line. I actually went around and ended up teeing it over here into the sensor. So hopefully it does good. We're still at Unleashed Motorsports right now. We're gonna go ahead and get all the brakes done right now. So you go ahead and see that they're already taking off the rotors and the brake pads, all that stuff. We have a idle going on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this data log for them. And then we're gonna go ahead and do a slow rev to about 6,000 RPMs. Out with the old, in with the new. Definitely need these for shift sector. Want to go ahead and stop after hitting those high miles per hour pretty much. So we got the rears getting put on. This is the last one right now. We're gonna go ahead and actually use these temporarily. He's gonna go ahead and let me borrow these, so huge shout out to him, so that way I have a little bit of less weight, because honestly the stocks are very, very heavy. So we're gonna have at least 4 stars, different ones, but hey, still looks really, really good. So we're getting ready to do our first actual pulls with the new setup. We got the go ahead. I'm just gonna go ahead and start data logging it, have the computer all set up already, hooked that up. So we're gonna go ahead and do a 60. Again, first pulls. Go ahead and start the data log. All right. So that was the WOT box. So you go ahead and tell it did not hook at all on that. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to pick that up in a little bit higher speed. Sheesh, baby, this thing moves, man. So we'll go ahead and maybe do one more, but we'll go ahead and end this one. Let's go ahead and do another pull. This time I'm gonna go ahead and actually use the no-lift shift all the way compared to before. I kind of lifted my foot just a little bit. I'm still trying to get used to it. That's why we're doing this. That's why we're data logging. So we go ahead and get all this information out to VMP so they can go ahead and give me the right tunes that I need. Honestly, I'm in love. I have a whole new love for this car now, honestly. Man, this thing is crazy. I've been at that 550 for a while. And I'm talking about over a year now that I was in that same area that I haven't done anything to the car. So now doing this, definitely have a new appreciation for the car. So we're back at Automotive Pros. As things goes, we were told to go ahead and gap these lowers. So right now I just pulled everything out pretty much. They're super busy, so they just lent me some tools. We did have an issue with the porcelain on the back one over here. I don't think it's gonna be able to see it in there, but it pretty much broke. So you can go ahead and see just the chunks right there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull that out, or try to figure out how to pull that out, and then get a new spark plug in, and hopefully after gapping them lower, it should be good. All right guys, so I switched out these spark plugs. I'm gonna go get a new sensor. I haven't got any codes. I cleared the codes to see if it'll come back or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up just in case, because they did say it may be going out. But you never know. Honestly, it's better just to have it in case it does go out. I can just replace it real quick. So we're back home after doing a couple test runs. The sensor was apparently going bad is what they were telling me. So I went ahead and actually got a new sensor, switched it out. So should be good on that part right there. The belt is actually nicked right there in that corner. And that is the OEM belt. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually switch it with this Gates RPM one. You go ahead and see I actually moved out the tank right here. It's just two 10 mils and then the other one's another 10 mil. It's better just to move both of them out of the way so it gives you the most room. And I'm really hoping this is the last thing I actually have to do because shift sector is tomorrow. And I'm really hoping this runs good because all the work we actually put into this. But hey, at least it looks really good. We have the fronts up here that we're actually getting borrowed, but you go ahead to see it looks extremely good with those new brakes that are fresh right there. So let's go ahead and attack this belt. Hopefully it doesn't give us too much of an issue. All right, so just took off the belt. We go ahead and see the old one right here. It's actually not as bad as I originally thought. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and just keep it as a spare just in case. Never know if that other one snaps. At least this will get me home pretty much.